Hey, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the Street Machine Nationals 2025, Minnesota State Fairgrounds. This isn't like the Bat the 50s. You're going to see a lot of just random cars. It's kind of cool. It's 20 bucks to get in, but I got a free ticket. But still, it's kind of cool. It doesn't have as many cars as I've been before. I was here last year. I like this because there are all kinds of unique looking vehicles. So I'll try to save music. If videos coming up will be up if there's me talking, but all you hear is music because what they'll do is they won't push it out. So if all of a sudden you just see me talking, there's music. The whole video is because of the music in the background. So let's go. All right, hang on the camera a little bit. There we go. Perfect. All right, let me see. Hang on a second. Good enough. There we go. All right. So half these I have no idea what the years are on these. Some biatches, but you can get the idea of these. A Silverado here. So 2025 Street Machine National. You can tell participant. This one's for sale. It's a beautiful one. Now it's got 327 in it. Look at this big trunk. It's gorgeous. Favorite color, it's all red. For sale. 608, 445, 6805. Really, really nice. You can tell this is stock right here. And my 65 Chevy had that. It's a 327. It's cool as hell. Beautiful vehicle. Humphrey, Mosconi. Wow, 3300. It's a nice SS. Beautiful vehicle right here. Nice. This is 1959 Chevy. Fuel tank. Nice, huh? Yeah, it's just there's some really cool vehicles on these things. Really, really cool. So, anyways. Cool one right here. Very nice. That's the big dog, man. Those are really cool. Delta 88. As you can see, there's all kinds of unique looking vehicles here. You'll never see these over at back to 50s. Some Monte Carlos. I had an 1881 Oldsmobile Cutlass when I was younger. It's classic. Classic. Look at that engine there. That battery. Very nice. The old Impala, huh?
Yep.
I had a 65.
68.
68? Yeah.
That's a 59.
Yep. You always tell the difference with the 68s, the round ones. Super Sport. Classic Impalas. Nice wagon. So you'd never see those at another car show. Beautiful day to videotape. There's no heat, so cruise on over here. I'll do cruising around on Friday. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's really kind of cool. There's some really cool vehicles here. Classic one. That's I like the buckets in there. Nice shifter. So the engine in there, that bad boy. You can get everything in there. It's nice. Very, very nice. Love it. These are pretty cool ones over here. Mopar. I got AC/DC over here. I'm gonna be careful. Yeah, I'll probably get popped in this music, but cranking the music here. Yeah. You gotta. This is kind of cool over here. That was very nice. Ranchero. Cool. It's a nice one. Special. Love the color. When you get over here to the Corvette, you can tell us the French fries will be here in another month. It's kind of cool right here. Nice Corvette. I like it. Old school one. I like it. I've always liked the old. I like to have an 81 Mustang. I think they're cool as hell. Love those old ones, the old 350s in those suckers. Ranchero, nice.
Without a doubt, brother. We look forward to having you out there. You're familiar with Cotton and Newberg?
Nice.
Those guys were on the Roadkill TV show series. They had their
Look at that bad boy.
and they'll be out here. Hopefully we'll have them out there at the burnout contest. They're going to be autographing a bunch of them.
Nice.
As well as some other prize giveaways that we'll have. First registry for the Finishing National
Look at that. Nice. Yeah, you got the Super Sport 66. Very nice. $396.
Yeah, have you been there?
I have been to that one.
Nice.
It was not- I did some of the
Clean as hell. Love this. Love this Ford. It's cool. Yep, nice.
When everything's running, and it's
Yeah.
just kind of, it's just kind of cool.
Chevelle, nice. Love it. Here's a 67. SS. Pala. Nice. Very nice. Nice. $427, that's something, that thing's nice. Very cool. Anyways, so the next video, it might be the music because there's music coming up here, so anyways guys, we'll see you in the next one.